Dear USA, all nations, and 7.9 plus billions of humans, I hope we are all in a same page on ongoing civil justice sign off. Is all for Pope Francis, the Lucifer, the Satan, the Antichrist created tax mandate COVID-19 love marriage population, and it is the deadliest crime. So basic birthrights level all destroyed, and self-esteem has been stripped off by enforcement from all civilians worldwide is the harshest reality, and nobody is left out in the Pope Francis mandated 666 mark of the beast candle. Yes, I am going to get civil justice for total love marriage population enforced to live with the emotional torture. And because Pope Francis is a Satan is proved, and Queen Elizabeth too is Satan is also proved, and faces of Pope Francis are Satans is proved, and all nations must should never have criminal justice is also proved, and error of department justice is also proved. So divorce process for love marriage population must be should be annulled, dissolution of invalid disqualified marriage. For Satan, Pope Francis only created love marriage and forever love marriage scam, and always forever biological moms must should get the sole child custody in divorce process as in holy bible guidelines, and President Joe Biden must resign immediate for fatal negligence, and I Vedapriya become civil supreme chief Vatican leader now, and I Vedapriya become civil supreme chief family law judge for all nations. For I displayed the $1 trillion errors of wrongful hell mandate. Pope Francis created hell divorce process. I Vedapriya can bail out Department of Children and Families later when I become medical director for all nations. So prosecution, crucifixion enforced to humans in different versions. So, can you all see how innocent civilians enforced to look at fault mode when innocent and Pope Francis created hell always looked godly, holy highness, republica, god of USA, and why nation's population will without any awareness only worships deadliest antichrist as god, and it is $1 trillion scandal as a standalone. Yes, I am the mouthpiece for entire love marriage population who all slaughtered and butchered by Antichrist Pope Francis, the Satan, the Antichrist, the Lucifer, and I sure will get civil justice count by count to all love marriage population. Either Pope Francis should say yes, knows what is love marriage, or Pope Francis should say don't know who are love marriage population in earth. Either ways, we won the case of ongoing civil justice sign off $500,000 trillion finance compensation to be paid to each civilian times total population. So, can you all understand how emotional level, feelings level, Pope Francis, absolute monarchs, Queen of England, Elizabeth II, just destroyed anything of humanity, you name it, worldwide, all for fanatic love of crown and also to eat the tax dollars? Only for that only everything has been created. All hell has been created. So absolute monarchs do not have any birthright to enforce Pope Francis created love marriage scam worldwide to destroy the brain nerve cells damages, and there is no other crime that is deadliest category than to enforce love marriage. Pope Francis Satan created love marriage to fellow mankind and stripping of birthrights of civilians, and to enforce and mandate male human operating system and female human operating system to be enforced to be malfunctioned by Vatican Code of Abuse law, scandal mandate, tax mandate, and pain inflicted on Pope Francis Satan created love marriage population worldwide by enforcement, and that is absolutely wrong. So, how precious lives of civilians destroyed without awareness, and no humans do not know that they are fallen and trapped in the scandal of Vatican. In disease life cycle, always disease creators is at fault and never innocent. So, for destroyed holy marriage law and destroyed human lives by destroying human brain nerve cells mode, it is absolute monarch Satans must pay $500,000 trillion to each civilian times 7.9 plus billions of humans. So, I Vedapriya proved Vatican Jesuits leader Pope Francis Satan Antichrist created singles mandated. Not singles, but it's Pope Francis, the Satan created love marriage is a scam, right? It's $1 trillion scam. And he mandated that only for tax mandate. and it is coming under the umbrella of COVID-19 666 Mark of the Beast process model. So Pope Francis must resign now, and I, Vedapriya, must become Vatican leader now. Is a civil justice served? I, Vedapriya, should lead enterprise software design architect solutions for entire software world now. So you all got correct education. How President Joe Biden will resign in next 1 second is because Queen Elizabeth II is Antichrist is proved. Pope Francis is Antichrist and entire is also proved, and entire Democrat government will just faint and pass out just by aware of why USA is handcuffed mode. I want to convey I, Vedapriya, eradicated COVID-19 plague as of January 25th, 2021, and it can help me when USA government pays me tax-free salary of $1 billion using direct deposit, can help me to take care of my basic essentials, and I'm in absolute finance crisis. So Pope Francis, the Satan, the Antichrist, the Lucifer created tax mandate COVID-19 type love marriage mandated to destroy the human brain nerve cells. And Pope Francis must get out of the earth now, only in Volcano in Hawaii. So civil justice as of today in January 2021 is, according to the Holy Bible guidelines, is Pope Francis should pay tax-free $500,000 trillion to each civilian times 7.9 plus billions of humans daily forever. And Pope Francis must resign now, and President Joe Biden must also resign now. And I, Vedapriya, to become Vatican leader now with a salary of tax-free $250,000 per annum with benefits. And I, Vedapriya, to become Supreme Chief Civil Judge and Supreme Chief Civil Family Law Judge across the globe for all nations now. For I displayed the Pope Francis created all the adverse marriage scandal and enforced all the people to marry wrong humans worldwide, and that is the deadliest crime Pope Francis provided. So that is why Pope Francis must resign immediately. Then I, Vedapriya, to become Poverty Relief Medical Director for all nations, to lead Medical Services Center for Disease Control, World Health Organization. Then I, Vedapriya, true native Indian tribe of Israel and true Israelite Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, and true owner of USA, and USA is Tamil Nadu. So I have to be the interim leader of USA now, and President Joe Biden should resign now for fatal negligence and never fixed any of the broken justice process. And that is a $1 trillion scandal as a standalone. And Rod Lippert Building in Tamil Nadu must be renamed after my name. And USA government should pay me tax-free salary of $1 billion for I eradicated COVID-19 plague fastest than any robo and saved entire human kingdom, and proved absolute monarchs destroyed national operations, and proved Pope Francis is the Antichrist, the hell creator, must never live in the earth. So whatever in the Holy Bible is happening now. Okay, so as I've been telling you all, just be calm, stay calm, and because the civil justice is going to be served, and all the, just celebrate every single day, being aware that the evil forces will be gone without a trace in ashes. Okay, and civil justice wins always as a wisdom. Yes, I am that I am born to save the world, and thank you all for your time. Take care. Bye now.